are going to do haircut. The haircut name is butterfly layer. So let's start. First of all, I want to tell you guys one thing. I'm not a pro in haircut. I'm just going to try for the first time. This is my actual hair. My hair texture is wavy. This is the haircut tools which is from Mini Show. So it has cutting scissor, trimming scissor and trimming comb and one tail comb. Details given in the back side of this packaging. So let's start. Today I'm going to use this tail comb and cutting scissor. First, wet your hair. Wet hair makes perfect finishing and precise. And my last haircut was on November 2022. In middle of these years, I have just trimmed it. I didn't did any haircut. So now, I decided to go with the short hair. Making partition with the help of tail comb. First detangling my hair with the help of wide comb and tying hair equally with the help of rubber band because we need perfect straight cut. And now going to cut this hair with this guideline. This is the length which I want. After this we can layer our hair how much we want. It totally depends on us. So done. This hair feels like makeup brush. If I do ponytail, the length should be like this much. That's enough for me. Okay, now let's start to giving a structure or shape to this hair. First, creating a partition from front and back with a slightly slanting line. This will give you a perfect layer. And tie your rest of the hair to avoid disturbing. Doing same as both sides. First we have to make a guideline. So here I am doing partition hair in the 45-degree angle. This is must for butterfly cut. Take this one side hair into a opposite side and give some bend. And now cut from upwards to downwards. This will give you a beautiful layer. Same as for another side. Now this one is the guideline for the entire hair. Now I am taking small partition hair and cutting with the help of this guideline with the same procedure like before. Do this procedure for entire side. Now it's time for backside hair. Do the same step, follow your guideline. That will give you a beautiful layer. Look at this layer which gives a beautiful finish. Now it's time to make a fluffy layer. For fluffy layer need to change new steps. Taking a top horizontal partition and keep your hair straight and cut excess hair. Do the same procedure step by step up to your ear. Your ear is the another target for a beautiful fluffy layer. Now Do same steps in another side. Now layer is done. Check out some excess hair. And this side also doing same horizontal vertical straight cut. Now it's time for backside. Backside also take a small portion and keep the hair in vertical and slightly blend. Now cut this excess hair. Do the same step with the small portions. This will give you a volume to your hair. Your haircut volume depends on how much minimum portions you are taking step by step. So finally, after hair wash, this is how a butterfly layer haircut looks like. It gives a superb volume. If your hair is very thin and you are not going to maintain your long hair, this haircut is appropriate for your hair, and I personally love this haircut. So hope you like this. Again, I'm telling I'm not a pro in haircut. This is my first haircut video ever. So yeah, bye bye, take care, see you soon.